In front of me is VIVO iQOO Z10 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and then scrolling down to click on Shortcuts and Accessibility over here. Now scroll again, this time to tap on one-handed and use weight switcher next to Access mini screen using gesture to enable this option. Now you need to follow all of those instructions to enter one-handed mode. Slide inward from the edge of the screen and then slide out of the screen. So when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. To manage it, click on this icon of a crossed square at the top left corner and hold all of those dots to adjust your tiny screen. When you're ready to go back to standard size one, use this X at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, click on the same No Blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!